Alright, guess what? We're going to check on something. It's been a complete hour now since the last time you've seen this on the first video. Sorry I've kept you in suspension. Anyhow, good afternoon, early evening, Team Beast. For those of you joining us for the very first time, thank you for joining us here on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast, Daddy Beast, and this is part, hopefully I haven't talked too long on too many videos of, yeah, she thought it was funny, not your typical barbecue, because check it out, this is the reason why we're calling it not your typical barbecue, what one would expect a guy like me, my size, to ever cook on a barbecue. Because, I'm sorry, people who know me know this man cooks the meats. I put people in meat comas. People love putting my meat in their mouth. Buddy was in a meat coma the other day. Even though my doctor said I shouldn't do it, and I don't all the time. That was just a little bit, so it was okay. In here we also have a smoke... Whoa, too close. Get out of my personal space, will you? Huh. In here we got a smoke box that has apple wood chips. Now, they've been smoking the whole time, almost the whole time. About 15 minutes in, they started slowly getting it going. So, let's check this, shall we? It's getting there. Give me a baster, please. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Make sure it's not stuck. Smoke box is going good. And water is boiling. That keeps the moisture in there. It's a little dry here on the edge, but that's okay. No worries about that. Look at that. Yeah, that's good. Nice and smoky. Got a water baster. I'll take some water here. Base the top. Oh, that hurts the hand. There we go. But look at that. Oh, that's looking good. Looking good. It's still a little tough. A little bit more than an hour is going to have to take it. Only because that thing is 7.5 friggin' pounds. It's crazy. So the bigger the spaghetti squash, the longer it's going to take, even at 350. Normally, if you want to go fast and quick and cut dry and you're just in a hurry and you want to do a meal in 30 minutes, you can throw those in the microwave for about 15 minutes after punking some holes in them and get them super soft. Then when you cut them open, which makes it real easy to cut those open, you can take a spoon, scoop out the seeds, and then you take, I know it's going to sound weird, you take one of those fancy metal pumpkin scoopers from Halloween and you scoop out the spaghetti squash. Oh my, let me tell you, it comes a clean, nice hull afterwards. So, I don't know where ours are, so we're going to use a spoon today for when we do these. But that's right, we'll get to you here in a little bit and showing that process. I just came in, poured me some, another glass of that awesome fresh squeezed lemonade. You gotta have a great drink with a great dinner, right? Yummy, 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 yummy. But yeah, let's check this, shall we? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's looking good. Oh, yeah. That is about right. We'll turn that down to low. Doesn't need to be any higher. All right, we'll turn that down. Let that sit. And we'll be back once the spaghetti squash is done. Cooking's thirsty work. Good lemonade, though. Which we're going to have to make again. Dang, that thing's heavy. Whew! We have brought in the spaghetti squash, as you can see here. When I was out there, I kind of pulled it back from the sides just to check the doneness, make sure it was done. And it is. Nice and it smells nice and smoky. Look, you can see it. This is why they call it spaghetti squash. Is because it looks like noodles when you pull it apart. So that's the nice, lovely thing about spaghetti squash. You can use it, whatever the word is. It's a nice substitute for spaghetti. Now what you did see is I did put a little bit of butter on here, let it soak in a bit, and all that into the smoky goodness that's in this vegetable. And wow, I mean, It smells like a nice, tasty campfire. Only way to explain it. It's cooked very nicely. It's been on the barbecue for, well over an hour. I'd probably say about an hour and 20 minutes because of its size and heft. Okay, so now what we're going to do, now that you see me scrape the shell and all that, we're going to scrape it down. We're going to put it in a serving bowl. You know, one of these is going to go in here. It's going to feed me and Allison just fine. It's just me and her. But as you see, this will definitely feed a family of 4. No problem. Especially with all the extra we're going to be putting in it. Not all the extra, but some of the extra. Let the water drip off. And come in here like this. I will scrape it down. And I'll lift it up. Ooh, it's a little warm. And all this back here, because I cut off the tips. And it helps cook it. There might be a little bit of crunchy here and there because the edges. I'm just kind of scraping it down, scraping it down. Look at that. See how it's just coming out of there? And that's with no pressure on the back of it. And we're getting down to skin. That's how you know it's cooked perfectly. And what we have left is a shell of what it once was. Because we've got the onions and stuff in there, we're going to take the big spoon out, go to a smaller fork, start ripping it up a bit, getting those noodles exposed. Because it is very stringy, as you can see. Oh, that smells so good. You got the barbecue smell, the tomato smell, the onions, the little bit of garlic, the salt, or the garlic powder, the salt, the pepper is all in here. That's what I put on it. Plus, my super secret special apple rub. Like I said, we only need to do that for the 2 of us. But look at that shell. Absolutely cleaned out. You know, off on the barbecue. Look at the smoky edge right there. Turn off the heat to our chicken and our mushrooms. There we go. This is all a part of it. There's some mushrooms, chopped up chicken on here. There we go. We'll leave enough for that other one. Okay. So here it is. All in its glory. All ready to go. That's 1/2 of a 7-pound spaghetti squash. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, super special secret apple barbecue rub, and then onions, tomato, carrots baked with it, and then baby bellas and button mushrooms and citrus marinated chicken breasts, boneless, skinless breasts, all cooked up, made tasty, and nice, tasty homemade lemonade that we enjoy. Nice and tasty. Not too sweet, not too tart, just right. So, we're going to plate it up really quick, and we'll be back. And here you have it. All served up, ready to go. Topped with a little bit of cheddar. Or Parmesan, if that's your choice. And sorry, as I said, barbecue pit boys, pitmaster privilege. That's good. Okay, what do you think? Very good. Well, there you have it. Hi, buddy. Dinner wasn't what you expected. Oh, buddy. But hey, got something for you. There you go. So, dinner isn't quite what he expected him. So he was kind of depressed. So I had to give him something a little cheer him up about. Comment, like, subscribe. As you know, as always, be good, be kind. Team Beast, all the way.